Welcome back to another video. Today we are actually getting a new car. Okay guys, so we're gonna just pop over to the car dealership. Kids, you're not sat on that. You're not sitting in that. Get in the seat.
If I can get a go-kart.
You're not getting a go-kart.
A bike.
You already have a bike, don't you?
I gave it to my friend last video.
You mean your friend at school?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, let's just start heading over to the dealership. So.
Hurry up, I'm bored.
Anyway guys, comment down below what car you think we're gonna get. Cause, why is there a lorry? Kid, James, is that your lorry? James, I know what you did. James, is that your lorry? Oh my god. Guys, this kid is so
I
nice.
spawned in the Halloween area.
Get rid of that lorry now. Okay, finally the traffic light change. Just gotta turn on in. Right, off we go to the dealership. Whee! Oh, I'm gonna have to open this. Kid, do you mind opening that? Oh, it's automatic. Never mind. Hey, we're here for the new car. Yep. It's already done. Okay, guys. Kid, you're not getting a car, by the way. You can have a look while I wait for the car to arrive. It should come soon. Guys, where's the car? Oh, wait, it's already over here. Kid, wait, don't look. Hop on my back and close your eyes, okay? Kid! Oh my god, guys, that kid is just so cheeky. Anyway, let's just hop into this car. Whoa. This thing is sick. Just gotta reverse. Kids, it's time to go. What do you think of the new car?
I don't like it that much. I like those two in there.
We're not getting either of those cars. Especially the Cybertruck. Do you know how expensive they are?
They're like 60,000.
Why do the traffic lights keep changing as soon as we get here?
This is 200,000, so 60,000.
Kids, I have no clue what you're on about.
Yeah.
You don't know how much on sale this car was,
Can I go see my friend at school?
Do you want me to drop you off at school?
Yeah.
But it's Saturday. School's not on, and it's also already.
She said meet me at school at 4 p.m. on Saturday.
Okay. You're going to be late. The traffic lights don't change. Tell me when to pick you up then.
You have to pick us up around 5:30.
Okay. Right, out.
Bye.
See ya. Oh my god, guys, that kid's growing up so fast. Do you remember a few days ago how they were not wanting to go to school? Actually, I don't think I want to remember that. That was awful. And the traffic lights still haven't changed. Hello, can you change yet? Guys, also, how did the Halloween update get rid of one of the traffic lights? So now I have to look at like the one that's facing you, and that's red. So should I just go? Should I? If they don't change in literally a minute, I'm going. Guys, oh wait, now they change. Okay, right, let's go. Whee! I hope they were changing and they didn't just go yellow for no reason. Oh well. I wonder what my kid's doing. Wait, did they say 5 or 5:30? Because it's already 5. Oh. Hang on, I'm going to text my kids. Hello, has it been moved to 6? Yeah? Okay, guys, my kid texted, yes, it's 6. So I should probably start heading over, because it's 5:30. And the school can take a while to get there, especially with these traffic lights. Okay, Okay, go, 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 go. This car goes so slow when I don't push down the accelerator. Guys, you don't want to know how fast this car can go. Like, dangerously fast it can go. And we're a bit early, but that can't cause any harm. Also, guys, if you're wondering how we afforded this car, check the last video where I snuck into my kid's school, because that's going to explain what really happened. Because something happened with a little money at the start. Kid, it's time to go. Oh, has your friend already gone?
They were here, but then they had to go home for some reason, so
Hop on my
the
back.
school
Then.
told me to play basketball while I went.
Okay. What do you mean the school? There's literally no one here.
I saw a random person and they told me play basketball.
Just got to turn. Okay, right, off we go. Wait, guys, I just remember my kid has a sleepover, so I'm gonna have to drop him off at his friend's house, which is one of these. I think. Which one is it? Is it the pinkish one or the white one?
The pinkish.
Okay, off you go and have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, they grow up so fast. Well, off we go. Anyway, guys, it is time to head home now. It's getting a bit late, guys. No, mustn't get distracted. Just gonna keep on going. Guys, like and subscribe if you like the car. If you don't, make sure you still like and subscribe anyway. Guys, we are now arriving back at home, so I'm just gonna reverse today. Actually, I don't know why. I kind of miss my kid though. I have to pick him up at I can't remember what time it was. I think it was like maybe 10 in the morning or something. Wait guys, hang on, my kid's texting me. Oh no. Guys, I have to pick up my kid from school, but apart from that, I don't have to do anything. So, seems like, my kid's gonna miss me if he doesn't see me tomorrow. Guys, it's time. Here's my kid's room. Okay, whatever. Should I go to sleep? I don't know. Should I drive past one last time or no? My kid can do this. Guys, what happens if something happens? Maybe I shouldn't have left him at like a sleepover. Guys, I miss my kid so much. No, I have to be brave. I kind of wish I didn't leave my kid there all alone. Yeah. I'm getting tired, guys. I think I'm just gonna rest my head for a sec. Maybe turn out the light and what time is it? It's 3 a.m. guys. How have I left my kid for so long? Let's just get on the light. Ah, that's so bright. Guys, why did I think leaving my kid out there all alone was a good idea? You know what? I'm just gonna maybe drive. No, I mustn't interrupt, guys. Today's just gonna be a long day. Oh, I am already beginning to regret leaving my kid there, and it's not even like the next morning really yet. You know what? I'm just gonna unlock the door. Maybe I'm just gonna have a home day, not have to worry about stuff. And I don't have to bring my kid to school tomorrow either, so. Set it up tonight. We need a quick flame to show it's getting ready. come on. Flame, you should probably stand back. Okay, there's the flame. Perfect. Oh, those burgers are looking good. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna check their nose. It better be something good. Wait, is the news even on at like 5:50 or whatever? Let's watch school. Actually, no. Hang on, who are they? Maybe my kid knows them. I don't know. Hang on, is that the same girl? No, they just look similar. Guys, I'm just tweaking now that I know about my kids out there all alone. You know, I'm not watching this. The burgers! Well, the burger, actually. Yikes, turn off that temperature. Grab my burger. Right, time to sort them out in the kitchen, guys. Add some of this, some of that, and voila! A perfect burger. It looks just like a big cheese for burger bun. You know what? I think I'm gonna have some burger bun today. Guys, this is so good. Guys, I've been eating this burger for so long. That's so good, though. Guys, I'm not gonna worry about my kid. You know what? Guys, I'm just gonna take my brand new car for a ride. Woo-hoo. Just gonna shut that. I should probably lock the door, shouldn't I? You know, as I'm going. Shut them. Gotta lock that. Right, off we go. Guys, what do you think of this new car? Was it better than the old one or worse? Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and also subscribe for good luck. So, see you guys. Peace.